What's up, guys? Real estate is a proven path to wealth, but trying to figure it out on your own can be very challenging. That's why I created this real estate ebook bundle for just $19.97. That's less than $20. You get your hands on a blueprint to all the secrets and actionable steps to take. I have put years of experience into these ebooks. This is the same blueprint that has made me a millionaire in real estate. You are going to learn how to analyze deals, identify properties, and calculate potential returns. I'm going to give you the information you need to buy your first property. And if you're not satisfied, I will give you your money back. The best investment you can make is an investment into yourself. For $20, for a $20 investment, you get all the information you need to go out here and do your first deal. Don't miss this opportunity that I'm giving you to change you and your family life forever. Click the link below and start building out your real estate portfolio. Let's go.